Good morning, all of you. My name is Nagaraju, and today I want to interact you with some examples. For example, we know that in mathematics, alphabetics all called as variables. All called as variables. Like that, every number 1, 2, 3, and so on. These are also constants. So here it is called variables. Here it is called constants. What is variable? Variable means vary, and constant means it is a fixed. Now let us form one term. So x is called one term, 1 is called one term. But there is a difference. X is called literal term and 1 is called constant term. Now let us see one expression. Expression means the combination of variable and constants. For example, x plus 2, x minus 2, x into 2, x divided by 2 are four different expressions. Now let us see x plus 2 is called expression, this is expression, this is expression, this is expression. But here according to expressions we can classify into monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial. Here monomial means an expression contains only a variable or constant, that is called monomial. Binomial means it must contains two terms, either variable or constants. For example, one variable and one constant. It is a combination by using plus operation. So here it is binomial. Like that, x plus y plus z. This is a trinomial. Polynomial. X is a polynomial. X plus 2 is a polynomial. X plus y plus 2 is also a polynomial. Now let us see an equation. Equation means the expression which contains an equal symbol. For example, ax plus b is equal to c. Now let us say ax plus b is equal to c is called a simple equation or a linear equation. Why simple or why linear means the variable power is 1 here. For example, ax plus b is equal to 2. Here also 1. Power of the variable is 1, so it is called a simple equation. Now let us see another equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now here the variable power is 2. So it is called as quadratic polynomial or quadratic equation. So today we will learn about quadratic equations. Today we learn about quadratic equations. Now what is the general formula or form of quadratic equation? For example, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is an equation. Clearly it is called a trinomial because it contains 3 terms. And where x is a variable, and a comma b comma c are the real numbers. A comma b comma c are the real numbers. And here a shouldn't equal to 0. Why? Y means if a becomes 0 means again we will get bx plus c is equal to 0. If bx plus c is equal to 0 means again it is come to a linear equation. This is linear equation. So for the linear equation there is no x square term. So we have to take the general standard form of an equation of quadratic equation. For example, x square minus a plus b into x plus ab. Here a comma b are two roots. Now here the sum of the roots is minus b by a, and the product of the roots is c by a. Like that, how we can derive an equation x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the root of the equation. We know that ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation, but for this type of questions we can solve by using this formula and also another method by factorizing method. Now here how we can reduce this formula? Let us solve. First of all, we have to take same equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and multiply this equation with 4a into ax square plus bx plus c is equal to, we are multiplying on both sides also. So here 4a, here also 4a, multiplying. Now multiplying, here is equal to 4 into a square x square plus 4 into a into b into x plus 4a into c is equal to 0 into something 0. Now we know that 4 can write as 2 square. So 2 square a square x square means 2ax whole square plus, now here also we can write as 2 into, in the factor of 2ax like that, then here remaining is 2 plus here a square plus 2a and b also there, b also there. So this is 2b. We know that 2 2s are 4. A into b into x, a into b into x came. Now this is like that. This is in the form of a square. This is in the form of 2ab. This is, for example, here I am writing this equation 2ax whole square plus 2 into 2ax into b plus we need one more term for getting into the form of a plus b whole square. So we can take as plus b whole square and minus b whole square for adjusting. So the value didn't change while we are writing like this. Then here also here added, and here same 0 is equal to, we know that a square plus 2ab 2 into a into b plus b square is equal to 2ax plus b whole square minus b whole square is equal to here also there plus 4a plus 4ac, then plus 4ac transpose, then it become minus 4ac, so is equal to minus 4ac. Then we have to write the remaining term 2ax plus b whole square is equal to this minus b square, it come to right side, then it become plus b whole square. So b square minus 4ac. Now we can write as 2ax plus b whole square is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now 2ax plus b whole square, here 2 get it to right side, 2ax plus b is equal to get into right side, then it become plus or minus root of